Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how to get source or read documentation. In order to read documentation about C/programming language, we go to docs.microsoft.com, and here for this example we will use math class. Suppose we want to get some mathematical functions. So basically this class is provide us common mathematical functions. So here we can see some examples, and these classes have fields and methods. Fields is variables inside the class. Math class contains these two variables, and methods is some piece of code which runs when we call it. So this is functions. In C/ it is methods, and in some other programming languages, functions. So for example, we want to get pi number. So here, when we open this page, we can see that this is constant and this value in double type. So we see some examples here. So in order to get this number, we need to create double data type. So let's call this class. So when we call this class, we write class name and then the field, and all of those we store in double data type because this is value in double. And then after that we just print it, and let's see. So we see here is the same number at this number, so we get this field. And second example, I want to call some methods. For example, we can use this method power. So this method return double type, and we need to give two parameters. Let's call this method. So we create two value double data type, 110 and second is 2, and then we call this function and then put these two value. So result should be 100. So this is 100 result. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we'll learn some basics about classes and objects in C# programming language.